students, welcome to my channel Learn, Grow and Rise. How are you? Hope all are doing well and fine. So, let us start our discussion on base. In my previous video, I have already discussed introduction and classification of bases. So, let's see what more this video is bringing for you. Today, we will discuss methods of preparation of bases, physical properties of bases, chemical properties of bases, and uses of bases. We are very familiar with the bases. In the morning, when we wake up, the first thing we need, that is toothpaste. And क्या आपका toothpaste में base है? Let's check it. Let's know more about the base. Methods of preparation of bases. The first method is from metals. When metal react with oxygen, it gives a basic oxide or base. Children, you know that metallic oxides are basic in nature. When metal react with the oxygen, it produces base or basic oxides. For example, sodium, when react with the oxygen, it produces sodium oxide, and the nature of the sodium oxide is basic in nature. Now, let us discuss the second method of preparation, that is from basic oxides. Basic oxides dissolve in water and give a base or alkali. Basic oxide plus water, it produces alkali. K2O is a basic oxide because it is the oxide of metal, and all metallic oxides are mostly basic in nature. K2O, when react with the water, it produces potassium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide is an alkali. Children, you know soluble bases are known as the alkali. What is alkali? The soluble bases are known as the alkali. Alkali are the soluble bases. Active metals also react with water to give alkali. Potassium plus water, you will get potassium hydroxide plus water, and potassium hydroxide is a alkali because it is the soluble base. Now, let us discuss another method, that is by decomposition of the salts. Certain salts like carbonates, nitrates give a basic oxide on heating. When we heat lead nitrate, that produce lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. The lead oxide is basic in nature because it is a metallic oxide. You can see here, when we heat the lead oxide, you can see the brown color gas is there. This brown color gas indicates the presence of this is the brown color gas, and this brown color gas is that indicates the presence of or evolution of the nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide is your brown color in nature. Now, if you will heat like this, the calcium carbonate, if you will give the heat to it, the calcium carbonate on heating produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So, calcium oxide is basic in nature. Now, let us discuss the physical properties of bases. The taste of base is bitter in nature. Children, how you remember? Base, that is bitter. Base bitter, but acid sour in nature taste. It feels slippery or soapy. That's why it present in the soap, and if you touch the soap, you can feel the slippery. It conducts the electricity. Greater the concentration, the better they conduct electricity. If base is a good conductor of electricity, it is known as a strong base, and if the base is a poor conductor of electricity, it is known as the weak base. These are caustic in nature, means when it comes in contact with your skin, it dissolves skin, or it just make burn. Sometime if that is a strong base, it may that is coat your skin. Now, the chemical properties of the bases. Action on litmus. Litmus paper, if you will bring, then it turns the red litmus paper to blue. And also, universal indicate paper or the PS paper, if you will bring near the strong base, it changes it into the blue color. Reaction with indicator turns phenolphthalein into pink color and methyl orange into yellow color. Phenolphthalein is an indicator. We call it is a acid base indicator. What is indicator, children? Indicator indicates whether it is a acid or it is a base. Means the work of the indicator is that it changes color in presence of acidic medium and also it changes the color in presence of the basic medium. That's why it indicates when it is present in a acidic medium, it shows a different color, and when it just present in a basic medium, again it turns or change the color. So the phenolphthalein turns pink color when we keep it in a basic medium. Phenolphthalein is a colorless solution. When we put the base into it, so it turns pink in color. And methyl orange is orange in color. When it comes in contact with the base, it turns yellow in color. Let us know what more chemical properties are there. Reaction with the metal. Metal when react with the base, like acid also, it produces salt and hydrogen gas. Zinc plus sodium hydroxide, it will give you sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. If also aluminium, sodium hydroxide is a base in presence of water, it will produce sodium metaaluminate and hydrogen gas. Reaction with acid. Base react with the acid to form salt and water, and we call this reaction as a neutralization reaction. The reaction is a very important. It is neutralization reaction. Children, can you tell me, क्या आपका टूथपेस्ट में बेस है? अगर है तो क्यों है? We have when we wake up in the morning, so the first thing we need, that is the toothpaste. Is because when we are sleeping, whatever food we have taken, that food comes in after rinsing our mouth also, there are some food particles still left if you have not brushed it properly before the bedtime at night. So what will happen when this food comes with contact with our saliva? It turns acidic in nature, and in the morning, and it just have the acids coated there is a coating of the acid on our teeth. So in the morning, we just give when we use the toothpaste, that acid neutralizes and helps to clean our mouth. That's why आपका toothpaste में base is there. Reaction with non-metallic oxides. These oxides are generally acidic in nature. So they react with the base. They produce what? Salt and water. What is neutralization reaction? Neutralization means when acid reacts with the base, it produces salt and water. Children, you know that what is acid? Acid is a substance which gives the H plus ion. And what is base? Base is a substance which gives the OH minus ion. Neutralization means the H plus ion of the acid, it neutralizes the OH minus ion of the base, and it produces NaCl, salt and water in this case. And the formation of the water is known as the neutralization reaction. So this is the property of the bases. Now let us know what is the uses of bases. Sodium hydroxide is used to make soap and paper and oven cleaner and products to unclog the drains. Calcium hydroxide is used to make cement and plaster. Ammonia is found in household cleaners and make the fertilizer. Magnesium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxides are used in the antacid to treat the heartburn. Means when you have severe acidity, so if you will take that, so you will get relief immediately, because the bases present in the antacid, it neutralizes the acid in our stomach. so we'll get relief. Hope all of you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.